struggle a lot while studying? You start studying with huge motivation that today I'll study all day long or 12 hours straight. But after a while, all the motivation ends. Some people start daydreaming and some people even start feeling sleepy. Sometimes we try to read a chapter but get stuck on it whole day, right? So here are some study tips that can help you in studying effectively. These tips are not the magic tonic that you will drink and will start studying for 12 hours straight, but these tips can surely help you in studying in a better way. So the point 1 is make a study timetable. So what you need to do is set some study targets for the day and assign some specific period of time for each target. Break your work in small chunks of time and reward yourself with your favorite thing when the goal is reached. Try to study 2 to 3 subjects in a day so you don't get bored, and it will also help you in better retention. When you start reading a chapter, take a quick look at it. Read the headings, subheadings of the chapter and also read the questions given at the last of each chapter so that you will get an idea of what is inside the chapter, and this will help you in reading the text consciously. After reading a chapter, try to solve questions related to it or give tests of that chapter, and by this you can check whether you have understood the chapter well or not. And if you can't understand any question, then write it down and ask it to your teacher or try to find the answer on internet. Make a separate copy for these questions so you can revise them easily. Now whatever you have read, write it in your own language in concise manner so it would be easier for you to understand the topic, and also these notes will help you in revision. If your text contains visuals like graphs, diagrams or maps, then try to recreate or redraw them on your own so that you can practice them well along with your studies. Try to form questions from the text yourself. If you can make questions and answer them, it means you have understood the chapter well, and by this you will also remember the chapter for a long time, and now you can also teach others whatever you have read. It will help you in your revision too. If you can teach others, that means you have understood the chapter clearly. Learn the same thing in different ways. Like if you read a chapter from your book, then now watch a video related to that chapter. Then solve questions, see some images related to that. Use flashcards, mind maps or diagrams and stick them on the wall where you study. It will help you in better retention and clearing your concepts well. While studying, when you stuck on a topic, then leave it there. Don't waste all your day because of it. Otherwise, you will feel demotivated and you will study nothing after that. So skip that topic, try to read a different topic or different subject, and then at last read the topic that you didn't understand. Now comes the revision part. Whatever you have read, revise it on the same day itself and dedicate a specific day of week for revision. You can also highlight the important dates, years or text in your book so that when you will open your book, you will see the highlighted text and it will create a visual effect on your brain, and you are more likely to remember these things. You can also record your notes in your own voice in phone while reading them, so you can revise them anytime or anywhere, like when you are traveling or eating. So this is all for the video. We'll come up with more study tips in our upcoming videos. Till then, if you like the video, then press the like button and subscribe to the channel.